Hi guys, hello everybody and welcome to Sri Lanka, Colombo. In the district of Colombo it's called Batramula, the area. Yeah, anyway, so I wanted to show you the house we're staying at, and that is it. It's not a big house, but you know, it's a nice house, right? So that's the patio when you get in. You can close it here, and then you can go around the house here if you want. There's the backyard. There's also a patio. And yeah, well, let's go check it out real quick. It's actually nice. It's a nice white, washed white colored house. Large windows. And let's put the shoes out here. See? Nice door. Nice wood door. Heavy wooden door. And here, that is it. It's a small... They do have stairs that go up, but upstairs it's over, so they did not finish building it, right? Anyway, so here's like the sitting room with the guitar, some nice lights, and well, it's got nice touches, you know, like it's a tall building, you know, like not that small, but it's quite a lot, like a tall room. Nice light. It's actually lit. It's nicely lit. Of course, outside it's day, but even at night or evening, it's you know, it's not dark. And many times when you're moving into a rented house like an Airbnb like this one, is always a minimum. So this is quite nice. It's got some nice touches, I think. You know, like this plant here and the personal router. It also has a very good internet here, so which is very seldom I hear in Sri Lanka, right? So anyway, so the sofa here, this is where we eat. Yeah, there's this whoever. There's some. Oh, yeah, I can show you up here. So there's it has a door, but here that's over. So the second floor has never been finished. So this is closed for good. And yeah, see. Yeah, the stairs give it a nice larger feeling of the house, right? Anyway, so well, let's begin with bedroom number 1, which is here. This is where I work, and you know, sometimes sleep. You can see you got lots of space to hang your things. This is it's not on yet now. It's like an AC, but it's a water cooler AC. So maybe you don't call it AC, but it's a water cooler, but it does the job when I sleep at night. It cools down the room, so it's quite nice. It also has a fan and a nice little thingy. Anyway, so here goes into the next bedroom. There's my daughter playing. You know, she's completely absorbed from it. We got a cupboard here, you know, our stuff. Yeah, and there's like the children's corner when they play over there, but they play all over, right? Oh, well, see, I step on it. There's a mirror. Hello, hello. Yeah, it's got an AC here, like a proper AC, not a water AC. One more big bed. It's actually a good one, a cold one. You can look out into the patio in the back. Hey, are you okay? Hey, I'm trying to film here. Hello? Say hello? You gonna say hello? Anyway, yeah, you keep playing, dude. No problem. Anyway, so we're back in the sitting hall. And here's the bathroom, which is I'm very happy with. And I have this, whatever you call this, to put the water back. So you have a, you know, like all over Asia or Southeast Asia, you have wet bathrooms mostly. You know, that means when you take a shower, everything is wet. And you like rake it together. Have this, I don't know what it's called. This is a water rake. Anyway, another mirror. Hello. Got some pillows. Another nice old door, which I do appreciate. The ones of you who have been watching me. No, I know old. I like old stuff, and so this is all like old stuff. I love it. I just love it. That is the son, who is setting a cake. All right. So here goes into the kitchen, which is a nice one. I like it. We got a good fridge here, where I can just find. We got a little birthday party coming up, so we got a few lemonades, lion lemonades, right? Got some some fruits here. We got a rice cooker. We got a induction cooker. We got a water cooker. We got a juice maker something, and I'm not used to it yet. And yeah, it comes with all kinds of, you know, like with tea, with sugar, with, you know, with all kinds of things. Oh, by the way, I just found out that there is smaller glasses. Yeah, because we've been using the big ones, and with the kids, the big ones not too perfect, right? Yeah, some rice, some coffee, some more plates here. Can make some salad, honey, you know, all these little things, right? Anyway, so that is my wife. In case you're new to the channel, that's the boy, the smallest boy. That's my wife, Karina. That is Dylan, the baby. And of course, the son is called Vincent. Yeah, well, a little patio here, which is not too shabby, I think. I mean, it's not nothing grand, but you know, gives the kids a chance to play and us to hang out. And has some plants here as well. And let's check it out. Actually, yeah. That is the end of the others. Well, they have a nicer house than us, but you know, do they also pay $15 a night? I'm not so sure. They probably pay less because they bought it, right? Anyway, so you have these lines to hang up wash clothes, right? And yeah, and that is about it. I don't know, what should I say? That is our humble abode for the next 2 weeks, and then we'll move on. You know, there's, I mean, Sri Lanka is not that big, but it's big enough to, you know, there's lots of different areas, right? Like lots of nice things, lots of nice beaches, jungles, cities, towns, temples, all kinds of things, you know. I'm sure we will cover the country in 3 months. I'm not sure if we get to do everything. I've said that with other countries before, right? Large countries like India, which of course there is not possible. Here, technically, it'd be possible to, you know, go through most of, well, basically most, and maybe not so profoundly, but you know, Sri Lanka could. But we're not in a rush. You know, we'll take it easy. And by the way, we can show you that way too. So you got like a patio with nice plants here. I like it all over. Here you go back into the patio. I know. Into the back patio. Right, the boy is splashing about, and there's a mosquito, which I've just. Oh. Yeah, there's mosquitoes on him actually. Yeah, here. Oh. Oh my God. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's it. That's how we live here in Colombo, respectively in Battaramulla. Do I say it correctly? I'm not so sure. Which is a bit outside of the center, of course. I'm not sure if it's like it's a part of a, you know, of the outskirts. Let's say outskirts, but it still is Colombo. Still like it counts maybe as its own city, but it's very close, or a suburb of Colombo. But don't you worry, we'll also go and check out Colombo itself. Oh, now it's windy. It's getting windy. And yeah, so we're here. All right, guys. And I hope to see you in the next video. All right. Okay. Bye-bye. Take good care. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, guys, if you plan to follow me, please do subscribe, and I hope I will not disappoint you. You know, I've been around for a while. Actually, maybe you're new to the channel, so I'll explain you. Me and my family, or my family and I, have been on the road traveling for the last 5 years, actually, even through the Corona pandemic. Although through the pandemic we've not been doing too much traveling, so we stayed more than a year in Malaysia. And then we stayed quite a few months in Pakistan, and then in Morocco, and then in India, and then now we went back to Malaysia for 3 months, and yeah, now just came to Sri Lanka. You know, we've been meaning to be coming to Sri Lanka for a while, But it did not work out because of that pandemic thing, you know, which we hopefully have behind us now. I'm still not sure. Nobody is, I think, but it looks good for the time being at least. And yeah, let's see. And if you want to, you know, tell me things, if you want to, you know, give me tips about where to go or what to do. I mean, we're not too much into the touristy things, you know. We rather go to off-beaten track places, you know, like, or even if it was about food places, we like to go to local food places, not the tourist food places, you know. We like to see the local culture. We eat the local people's food, you know, the common man's food actually, or, you know, whatever you have, you know, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to read. I'm not sure if I can answer everything, but I'll try. And yeah, and don't be angry if I don't go to all the places you suggest, you know, but it will give me an idea, right, to maybe have some, you know, some good thoughts, right? But anyway, so I wanted to mention that again. All right, bye guys.